Central California, February 4th, 2017. I'm living in hell. There's one right there. Pieces of shit in the sky. Sorry for all the swearing. No, not really, I'm not. Here, look at this. Look at this black crap. Oh God, I'm getting old for this. Let me show you why I scream. See this little man right here? He deserves clean air. Donald Trump, if you're going to be a president of the people, you need to stop the war that's going on over our heads. My grandson deserves clean air, clean water, and clean food. I'm demanding that you do something. Lord help us. There's a war zone going on over our heads. Ham Jones.